They told me to keep my head down, to clock in, clock out, to shrink my fire to fit their flames. But something ancient in me remembers. A wildfire doesn't ask permission to burn. It started as a flicker, barely visible behind the spreadsheets and small talk. But now it's roaring. The flames are high. Not just in me, but in all of us who are waking up and saying no more. No more selling our spirits for paychecks. No more pretending we don't feel the chains. No more nodding along in boardrooms built on borrowed dreams. We're not lazy, we're lucid. We're not confused, we're clear. We're not broken, we are breaking out. There's a whole world beyond the matrix, a place where work feels like worship, where time bends to purpose, where joy isn't a weekend luxury, it is the compass. And now we rise, ash-covered, truth-drenched, unshakably alive. This is the era of the untamed, the soul-led, the wildly awake. We are the wildfire, and it is time to rise. If something stirred in you, hit that heart, follow the flame, and join the wildfire. Visit mimimoses.info to step into the rising. We're here, we're waiting.